Yeah, hello. Once again, is Richard Dupey here, and this is midweek. This midweek, we are going to look at the continuation of the last week, the second plan that the two show was 1948, and they play only the 48. I will be using the continuation of it. It's really good. So here in the year 2023. At event 1029, they play 10 over there. Following week 80, following week 89. So 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they play 71 at machine, that is winning. Then they play 31.55 in machine. So if you count from there, 71, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play 23 over there. From the 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they play 34 center machine. Following week, then they play the 64 that was supposed to counter last week before it did not. The 64. Then following week, the single 3 that counter last week that play with the 79. See the single 3 that play with 79. So position. So last week it was these two sure. Then they play the counter of the only the single 3, that is the 48 over there. So as they play double 7 also in machine. So following week, we are here on this event. So you will notice that 23 that is on the event over there, the 23 will come as a full banker. Then the single 3 that counter to the 48, the 48 itself will repeat and play with 47. This thing is a plan for Friday Bonanza. I was looking for it. I only saw one. The 48, either 48 or 47. One of them should repeat and play with the other. So the 48 will repeat and play with the 47. So when you come to the current two, you will see at event 1111. They play 10 over there. Following week 80. Following week 89. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. They play the 71, 31, 55 machine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then they play the 23 over there again. From the 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 34 center position. Following week, the 64 will play at winning. Then the single 379 will play. So last week, the 48 that play. So following week, that 23. The 23 is supposed to jump back as a full banker, playing with the 48 that is to repeat. So the 48 will repeat, play with 47, and then the 23 as the 3 numbers. So let's say last week, after like picking the plans, I saw some plan in VAG, this VAG Thursday paper, one of the event here. They play 57, 79. They're supposed to play the 57 again. They did not. Then they stand there, play again 57, 79. Then they have to play the 57 again over here. They did not play the 57. I picked that too short because this one should jump, this one should counter. They did not play. They went ahead to play that 48 and then 55 on the event. So 48, 55 play on this particular event. But the reason why I'm even showing it is this 47 over there. So you can see the 47 is on the event. After the 48, 55 play, they have to play this 47. So the 47 is what on the event. Okay, now let's go to the Friday. Okay, let's see one in national first. In national, here, this one is going up. So you can see they play the 48. Following week, the 48 will repeat and play with the 47. That is the one in the national. So let's go to the Friday itself and see. I only saw one, but the one confirmation is enough. Here, in the year 2016, you can see they play 48 over there, 25 in machine. So following week, that 48 supposed to repeat and play with the 47. So the 48 repetition really good. It's really good. And You see the actual thing that the 48 supposed to repeat is also here in the Friday. Somewhere here you can see they play single 3 first. Following week the 48 intentionally play the 55 at winning. So you see the 48 repetition that supposed to repeat. So the 48 is there to play live. So this is the event that I'm using for the midweek. That is event 1048. Event 1048. Numbers on the event 67, 47, 61, 23, and then 48. 67, 47, 61, 23, and then 48. Those are the 5 numbers for the midweek plan. The 3 numbers 23, 48, 47. So let's hope for the best. Bye for now.